where I had sometimes played chess. And when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage fling. But all complexions that I adore, so hard to find, these seem impossible to score. So I dream on to someday find that vintage love. I kept on looking, but everyone's such a bore. And out of a sudden, you came through the door. At the next table, your whiskey neat, the lights were dimmed as our eyes met, moves on me. And forevermore, I like to share that vintage dream.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole Cole. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Love having you here. We've got a lot coming up, and today is my big reveal. So I have been very patient trying to keep this news from you all. I got the all clear from the couple that we're buying the house from this week. So that being said, we are going to share with you, we actually videoed the property as we were out there that day, just so we could kind of go back and look at it. But honestly, guys, we made up our mind as soon as we pulled up to the house. It's actually the second house we looked at, and we fell in love with it. We rode down around, and you'll see it in the video when I show it to you, but we rode down around the pond area. And I looked over at my husband. We were supposed to look at another house that day. And I said, there's no reason for us to look at another house. I think this is where we really need to be. So this whole process has been kind of scary. But then again, I think everything happened for a reason. So, you know, our home sold. We were on Christmas vacation. Our house, we got an offer on our house. And we closed on February 28th. So we came home, we looked at two houses. So the second house that we looked at was this house that I am about to show you. And I think it was just in God's time. We thought that our house was taking long. We thought that we wanted another home, but this house is just absolutely perfect. And we're so thankful that we found it. It's got 53 acres. It's got a nice size house, tons of character, great bones, and a lot for us to work with. And my mind cannot stop with projects that I want to do. So I'm going to show you a video of us riding kind of the property just a little bit. And then I'm just going to show you the listing pictures of the house. You know, this whole process, like I said, has been a little bit daunting, but the couple that's buying our house, they realize that this is kind of bittersweet for us, and the couple that we're buying the house from, they don't want to leave either, so it's kind of bittersweet for them. But I think, you know, it's like, again, it's just all been in God's time, and I'm so thankful that we are where we're at, and I get to share it with you all. So without further ado, I'm going to show you the time. Please hit that subscribe button, because I've got a lot of goodies planned here very soon. So thank y'all so much, and have a great day.
Gonna stay in this moment, gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely, I am finally home at last. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. Beauty never ends. Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back. But I don't have to be chasing every dream that I have. Oh, here than I can bear. Ooh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.